Hey guys, today we are reviewing the Ofuray 1000 watt solar street light. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. Okay, start off, they give you your easy installation guide. They give you, let you know the different modes. You got dusk to dawn or motion sensor mode and some other stuff. Ours did show a remote, but I don't believe... Well, oh, there it is. Okay. So make sure you check inside your box for your remote. The remote will require 2 AAA batteries, but this is what it looks like. This is the actual street light. You get your mounting brackets, bolts, and everything for mounting. But these are the LEDs. As you can see, each little yellow dot is an LED light. So as you can see, you get quite a few. You have your on-off mode, your sensor right there. On the other side here is your solar panel. This is what it looks like. So this is going to be facing upward, obviously. Some people could face it out the side like this, depending if you want to angle your solar street lamp. But ideal, you want to have it kind of at an angle like that when it's mounted. When it picks up solar, you will see the light turn on. That lets you know that it's charging. And as you hide the panel, or as the sun goes away, it stops charging. Alright guys, let's turn this on here. Show you guys how bright it is. So as you can see, it lights up a whole area here. If we take it away, pitch black. We can show you guys out front so you can see that you can't see anything. And as we can see, it shows down. Everything shines down. So for example here, it shines the whole way out. And you can see very far. Mega bright guys, they work great.